Hello, YouTube friends and family. I'm going to do this seed haul. I went searching for the 90% off clearance. As you can see, I did find it. I'm only doing a short. I'm not doing a full haul. But this, along with $6 worth of seeds, was only $40 and some change. Again, all this with only $6 worth of seeds was only $40 and some change. That's 22 blankets and throws, and the jars and the decor, and 6 packs of these seeds. So here I'm bringing you a seed haul. A seed haul. I couldn't resist. That was on my do not buy list for at least 3 months this year, but I'm still buying me some seeds because as I see these beautiful flowers bringing so much joy to my heart, and as I eat these daily harvests that can actually provide a meal a day, I'm like, yeah, seeds is worth the expense. I must always keep seeds in the house. And again, seeds don't go bad. Plant them. 5 years, 10 years old, plant them. I even have my survival kits that I'm putting up for the long-term storage just in case. But you don't throw away them seeds. If you're throwing them away, throw them in the dirt. You will be surprised. So, here we go. Dollar General. I've been mixing them up. I'll say Dollar Tree, but it's Dollar General has Burpee seeds now. Heirloom Burpee seeds for $1 a pack. Now, I will say, like, there's a lot in here, but you know what lettuce is going. There's enough. There is enough for a season of backyard gardening for a family. You know, if you're not on a whole farm and things. Season of backyard gardening. $1. So, of course, these were $1. They have these every year. And this is more of an SHTF food. SHTF, 5 days, 10 days. You eating something. Okay? And you can grow that in the house under some light if you and you know, get some food if you have to. So that is prep and tip. Prep and tip. Keep a pack or 2 of those just in case you can't go outside and eat some green food in 5 or 10 days. Okay. So this I thought was pretty interesting. Freckles lettuce, heirloom. San Marzano tomatoes, heirloom. All these were $1 now. And this is new to Dollar General because I have not seen them before. Now, there is a lot of beet seeds in here. And again, enough for a season. I'm hoping they grow because I have a little bit of trouble with beets. But we're going to keep trying, even though it's troublesome. One day we're going to succeed. So, Lutz Green Leaf Winter Keeper beets. Heirloom basil, mammoth basil, Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes. I really probably should have bought 2 of these because there's not many seeds in here at all. But we know tomatoes are in abundance. I mean, if you can't grow a tomato, man. Tomatoes one of the easiest things to grow. Chinese giant sweet peppers. I brought 2 of each of these bushy cucumbers and Armenian cucumbers, Italian torpedo onions. So that's my second pack of bushies and my second pack of Armenians. Okay, then I got into my flowers. So my cousin was just telling me that these portulacas will grow in between the concrete cracks. I'm not going to do that, of course, but that's good to know. And they look so pretty. They caught my eye, and I had to grab 2 packs. Now, y'all see that right there? Y'all see that right there? So some of these seeds are supposed to be 2 for $1. I'm not sure that's how they all run because I spent like $15 at one store on just seeds, which is all of these, the microgreens, So maybe they are still ringing for $1. Not sure. They had the sweet pea Royal Family Mix, and I may just drop these tomorrow because they're small, and I got a good spot for them in the yard. So bought 2 packs of those. I bought the birdhouse gourd. So I just grabbed 4 of those for my cousin who runs a community garden in another state. So I got 4 gourds, birdhouse gourds. This was so pretty. It really caught my eye. 2 Scarlet O'Hara Morning Glories. And this one, oh my gosh, so freaking beautiful. Caught my eye. Grandpa Ott Morning Glories. And here we can pretty much almost grow flowers about 9 months, 10 months out of the year. So I'm not concerned about not, having flowers in my front yard all year long at this point. Radishes, Gourmet Blend. I'm really loving the zinnias. I need a little more space to put them in because I'm crowding them out. But I'm really loving the zinnias. Giants of California. Got 2 of those. And this was new. But now that I talked to my cousin, let me know in the comments below if these are like out of control, invasive, dropping seeds everywhere, invasive. Just let me know before I drop these things in my yard. Because I already got some stuff that has been proven to be invasive, like the Elysiums all over the place. And those purple flowers, though beautiful, though they come back every year, they are spreading out and going different places, I think. So I got to be careful about stuff like that. So let me know if these moonflowers are safe or no-go. And I bought a pack with 0 seeds in it. But you can feel the seeds, and it's only 3 or 4 seeds in here, which scares me. So you sold me a pack of flowers with 3 or 4 seeds. And my cousin was saying they drop pods and seeds everywhere. I was excited to have them. But now, I don't know. We'll see. And then, as you know, my corn was ravaged and stolen by some secret beast in the night. I don't know what happened, but they bit the tops off. So my corn never produced. So I got a chance to try one more round. And I'm going to push one more round in the ground and see if I can make it and mix it in that one bed. So we're going to see. We're going to try to get at least a few stalks of corn because the taste of fresh corn is just like something I just got to taste at least once or twice a year. So I need that in my life. Then I found Lemon Queen Sunflower. Beautiful. Evening Sun Sunflowers. Beautiful. And then I got Giant Cactus Mixed Color Zinnia. And Cut and Come Again Zinnia. Now this was the only one I could find of the Cut and Come Agains. And I would love to be able to cut them. And continuously cut them. So that was my seed haul from Dollar General. They are fully stocked in my area. I went to Callahan, Florida to get these. And they were fully stocked. Which surprised me because that's like an area where people have yards, big yards, room to grow, farms, and things like that. So I was shocked that I was able to find all of these fully stocked, ready to go. They had plenty vegetable seeds left. So if you had any experience with these seeds, comment down below. Let me know how they do. Because I'm going to try them. We're going to try them together. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow me and see what I do. Because I do grow food. I cook the food. I shop for clearance. I prep for whatever is to come. I do so much because I live a full life. I travel. I'm a single mama. I do it all. So if you want to follow the channel, if you think you'll like it over here, come on, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. I post on the regular. I do different things, and I think you might enjoy it. If you agree, subscribe. I want everybody to prep and pray. Prep and pray, prep and pray. Because things are changing, and they are changing fast. Also, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And you can get them for $1, so what's the excuse? Throw them in your native dirt. You never know what may happen. Give it a try. I love you to life. Have a great day.